how do you turn the flash on your iPhone camera? Let's get started. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so whenever you open up your camera to just capture the videos or photos, you can either tap on the options in at the top right corner for this like more buttons to appear, or swipe up from the bottom right in here, so you can see this is what shows up. And we have the flash option, which appears giving us three ways to pick it. It can be set automatically, or it can be turned on or off, right? So automatic just decides it by itself based on the conditions. So you can just make sure it's turned on all the time by making sure it's like the yellow button there that it's turned on. And right now when you capture the photo, the flash will be used. Same thing for the video, which also lets you turn on the flash for the recording process, right? So it's all right there. You just need to make sure it gets turned on when you need it. So this is how it works on the iPhone, but of course I'm showing you the latest redesigned camera app, which is part of the iOS 26. So if you don't have that version on your device, make sure you update it, right? Because you just want to make sure that you are running the latest version of everything. But that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up properly for your device. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.